If your baked goods keep coming out undercooked or overdone, your oven might be lying to you. In this video, we'll review the top 5 oven thermometers for precision baking. Let's begin with the OXO Good Grips Chef's Precision Oven Thermometer, one of the most highly rated analog thermometers available on Amazon. It's known for its crystal clear display, sturdy stainless steel construction, and a wide temperature range from 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. What sets this thermometer apart is its practical design. It can stand upright on a rack or hang from an oven shelf. The display is easy to read through oven doors, even in low light or when splattered with food. Many professional chefs and serious home bakers prefer it for its consistent accuracy and responsive temperature updates. Whether you're roasting a turkey or baking delicate pastries, the OXO ensures your oven is actually delivering the heat you set. For those who prefer digital readouts and more data, the ThermoWorks Square DOT Digital Oven Thermometer is a standout. This isn't just an oven thermometer. It's a precision tool trusted by professionals in commercial kitchen. It comes with a high-accuracy probe that tracks oven temperatures in real time and can even calculate a 15-minute rolling average to help you identify fluctuation. Its clear display sits on your counter, while the probe runs directly into your oven. It's ideal for those who smoke meats, bake sourdough, or need pinpoint temperature monitoring for complex recipes. Although it's a bit pricier than analog models, its performance and reliability justify the cost. If you want professional-grade accuracy at home, the Square DOT is hard to beat. Another excellent option is the Taylor Precision Products 5932 Large Dial Oven Thermometer. This is a budget-friendly analog thermometer that doesn't cut corners on quality. With a temperature range of 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, it's suitable for a variety of cooking styles. The standout feature is its oversized dial, which makes it easy to read from outside the oven without opening the door. Its stainless steel housing holds up well under high heat, and it comes with a built-in hook for hanging or standing on racks. It's been recommended by celebrity chefs like Ina Garten for being affordable, reliable, and accurate. For under $10, this model proves you don't need to spend a lot to get precision in your baking. If precision is your top priority, consider the KitchenAid Analog Dial Oven Thermometer. Known for its plus or minus 5 degree Fahrenheit accuracy, this thermometer is one of the most consistent analog models available. It features a compact stainless steel design that clips easily to oven racks, and a bright red needle that stands out against the dial for easy reading. The display is clear and well marked, helping users quickly identify whether their oven is running hot or cold. KitchenAid's reputation for durable kitchen tools holds true here. This thermometer is built to last and delivers dependable results for everyday cooking and baking. It's especially popular among home bakers who demand a bit more precision but still prefer a traditional analog tool. Finally, we have the Rubbermaid Stainless Steel Oven Thermometer, which combines rugged construction with reliable accuracy. With a temperature range of 60 to 580 degrees Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough for everything from slow roasting to high-heat broiling. The dial is large and easy to read, and the stainless steel body is built for commercial-level durability. It's safe for use in both conventional ovens and grills, making it a great all-around option for those who cook indoors and out. It doesn't require batteries or calibration, and its simple design makes it easy for anyone to use right out of the box. For a no-fuss, reliable oven thermometer, Rubbermaid delivers great performance at a great value.